everyone, Abel here from TechNave. We're gonna do an unboxing and hands-on on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Yay! So this is the midnight blue. I haven't been to London, so this will be my first time seeing the phone up front. Oh, hear that sound? Oops. Wow. Okay, see closer. So this is the midnight blue. You can see there are some stripes on the surface, which looks pretty cool. Too bad it's not emerald green. I would love to see the emerald green or the twilight. Looks fantastic. And let's continue the unboxing. Nothing here. Suppose this is the casing. We got a pin stuck up here. Charger. It said that it can charge 40 watts and it's the supercharged technology. Pretty cool. Obviously this is the USB Type-C and earphone jack. Oh, got the adapter here. Nice. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so unlike the Mate 20, the standard one, which has a water drop, the Mate 20 Pro is using a pretty wide notch. You see the side here, this is curved, man, dual curved screen. Actually, if I compare this with the Samsung phone, I won't be able to tell if I look up front like this, even if I turn on the screen. Well, maybe I set the notch. I won't go in much on the specs already mentioned in our website, so you can go into TechNave.com and check it out. But what I am gonna do is introduce you this triple camera lens.
Wow!
So if you take a closer look at the camera lens here, I believe the one on the top right is a 40 megapixel. It will be the wide angle lens. 20 megapixel should be right here, and this will be the ultra wide angle lens. And finally we have the 8 megapixel, which is at the bottom, and that will be the telephoto lens. Sorry, what you want? So going to the camera, user interface hasn't changed much, and I just discovered that if you switch the resolution to the 40 megapixel, you won't be able to use the ultra wide angle lens. So you have to change it to the 10 megapixel, which is by default right here. This is 10 default right here. There's only then you can use the ultra wide angle. So we're gonna do some test shots. My Iron Man.
Later.
That's on here. Maybe I just put the Iron Man right over there for better telephoto lens shots. Alright. Okay, so this is the normal shot here, and we get closer and closer. This is ×3 and a ×5. So can you look at this detail? It's just so wow. I'm quite impressed. I think Huawei has improved a lot on this. And here is the ultra wide angle. As usual, ultra wide angles are fantastic for shooting outdoors. There's like buildings, you know, and maybe a groupie or something. One more thing to mention is about the video. So video, see, there's a bunch of options right here, and it says that the video has a lot of capabilities such as AI color, background color, vintage, yada yada. So what I'm gonna do is just try one of the most, maybe AI color. It said that it can make the background black and white and the subject remains in color.
2 hours later.
Is it working?
Yes.
Red color?
Yes.
Black and white?
Yep.
Looking back at this clip, so mind blown right now because of how seamlessly I blend into the black and white background. It's as if like the system has already edited in real time. But you know, I miss the monochrome lens on here, but it seems that Huawei doesn't need that anymore because it's so good looking. So looking at this kind of camera capabilities, I believe this works really well for vloggers because you know they can be on the go, you know, recording stuff with this phone, which is just fantastic. We can't wait to test out more photos and videos, so yeah, stay tuned for that. As mentioned, our specs can be found in our website. Go to TechNave.com to check it out. Official launching will be on 27th of October. It will be Pavilion, Kuala Lumpur, Queens Bay Mall, Penang, and Aeon Mall in Johor Bahru. So do have a fantastic weekend to check out the phones. As always, stay tuned our future review at TechNave.com, and see you guys next time. Bye!